Okay, guys. Hello. I hope you guys are doing fine. So thank you very much. Today I deposited $5 and I'm increasing it, as you can see. So trying to increase the money, and let me show you the simple strategy I'm using. Now, the only strategy I'm using, what I'm doing here is the binary option, as you can see. So it's a binary option trading, and I want to show you guys that binary option is very very easy. Are you getting it now? If you can read the candle, so what I'm simply using is I'm reading, studying the candle, interpreting the candle, and see what the candle is doing. So this video is to tell you that if you are using signal, is no problem, but you can trade and make profit without depending on any signal, just by understanding the candle. Now, the first of all, for the beginners who are watching this video for the first time, maybe you don't know anything about candlesticks. Let me quickly wrap it up. If you know anything about candlestick, please just give me 1 or 2 minutes to explain this for other people that doesn't know anything about candlestick. Now, look at this green candle that you are seeing. This is bullish candle, is buyers candle. Why this red candle is the bearish candle? This red one, these are the sellers are selling. You understand? That's just the simple interpretation of it. And if you can see, for every candle there is always a opening and a price. See, this candle now is forming green. It opens here and is going. So it's going up and coming down. So trying to find the closing price. I get it now. So this candle, if you look at this plate, this is a 1 minute time frame. So each candle is 1 minute. So when the 1 minute elapse, it's going to close this candle and form another one. So now if you look at what is happening here now, and that is where I come in. Now look at this candle now. This each candle is always a battle between sellers and buyers. Understand? Now let's look at this candle. Look at this candle here. Now this candles open from here, come down a little bit to form red candle, then the buyers push it up and form green candle to this place, then the seller push it down to this place and closes with green candle. Now look at this one. Now you see another one has started. This one here open immediately and goes up. So buyers here open immediately, so they didn't even give sellers chance to even move the price down. You see that this candle, there's no lower wick. All this line you are seeing on top here, above and below here, they are wicks. Can you see? They are wicks. So this candle here, you see this at the lower part here, the candle started and the buyer push it up immediately. They push it up and they maintain the price level here without allowing the sellers to push the price down. Are you getting it now? So that is the psychology behind this candle. And then the buyers push it up to this place. But unfortunately, the sellers here push the price down towards this side. Then the sellers put the price down towards the side, and the buyers maintain their level here, and it closes after 1 minute. Now look at this. See this candle now, open from here, the buyer take it up, the sellers take it down, forming a lower price. But unfortunately, the buyers push it up back and closes. You understand? Now, another candle is forming 1 minute is forming. You see, the sellers are taking it down, buyers are pushing it up, but sellers still maintain. The buyers are taking it up. You see, as I'm interpreting it now, the sellers are pushing it down, the buyers are taking it up. You see, each candle movement, the movement also speaks. The sellers are pushing it down, the buyers are taking it up now, but the candle is still red, so the sellers is still in power. Now look at it now. The buyers immediately push it up. Are you getting it now? I will buy. Now, at this point, you see the buyers at the last minute of closing. I get it now. The buyers push it up. Understand? Let me just take. I've increased that. I've increased this to $1. I get it now. At the last minute, look at this candle. At the last minute of 1 minute, which is supposed to close in red, the buyers push it up. I get it now. So that means the buyers that are buyers here, I get it now. They push it up. But if you look at this candle, the body is very tiny, so the buyers are still weak here. The buyers are still weak. That's why you're saying the sellers are pushing it down. So the sellers are strong here, the buyers are still weak here. But let's see what's happening here with with the buyers push it up. Okay, look at this. The sellers has broken this low here. So the sellers are in control. The sellers are in control. Now, what I want to tell you is this. So you understand? So I've taken my time to interpret each candle for you. So you interpret each candle due to the movement. See, due to the previous candle that has been formed. Now let me start from here. Now look at this. From here, you see that the candles were forming. This line that you are seeing, this blue line, is moving average 5. Why this red line is moving average 50, simple moving average 50. So if you want to add it, just come here, go to moving average, add to moving average. You will see it under active here. Then you can change it. Just simple moving average, 5 and 50. Simple. Don't complicate things. So now look at it. When the candle form like this, the moving average 5 is coming along with it. It forms. The moving average 5 crosses below, sorry, moving average 50. Now when it crosses below moving average um 50 here, you see from this place the candle has been going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down along the moving average 5. You understand? Calm down. Now at this point here, you will be saying, okay, your question you'll be asking yourself is, what should I do? Should I focus on buying? That's the question you should ask yourself. Should I focus on buying or selling? But if you look at this place, this is a consolidation period, because this green and red candle, they are forming along the moving average 5. And if you see this, you see moving average 5 is up, is like is an horizontal here, so shows you that is consolidating, unlike here and I see is going down. So now calm down, don't do anything. But the question first you should ask yourself is this. Now look at it here. Now you see it's like it's consolidating now. Now the question you should ask yourself here, is this: what should I do? There is a crossover here that is consolidating. Should I buy or sell? Now I will say buy. Ask me why. Because we are below moving average 50. Now that's the purpose of moving average 50. Are you getting it now? So to show that we are in the downtrend. So we are selling, not buying, sorry. So we are below moving average 50, that is downtrend. So anything that's consolidating here, we are waiting for opportunity to sell. So that is the first stage. I get it now. We are selling. Now, when should we enter selling? Now, the candle goes up here, buyer goes up, sellers put it down, buyers form the buy candle, sellers put it down, they go up, sellers push it down. You see, the sellers push it down and form tiny. Here, the buyer wants to go up here, but the sellers push it down again. Now, look at this candle here. Let me zoom out. So that this candle is different from all the candles that is forming here. All the candles from here closes above, down. But when it comes to this place, don't forget, look at it. When it comes to this place, buyers, sellers put it down, but buyers take it up to form tiny green candle first. It closes with green candle. Let me zoom out so that I can see very well. It closes with green candle, but the eye of the candle is exactly rejected at the moving average 5. Do you see? It rejected exactly at the moving average 5. Can you see? That candle did not extend above it. You see? Or like this one is extend above it, extend above it. No, it didn't extend above it. This moving average 5, are you getting it now? When the buyers come to that level, the sellers push it down. That means that this moving average 5 that we put now, nothing, the buyer's next candle cannot exceed above it. Even if they exceed above it, they will surely close below it. You understand? Surely close below it. And this candle is a signal of of the end of consolidation. You understand? Now, end of consolidation. Now look at it here, it's coming down. Then here after this, you enter this candle, sell. If you sell here and you lose the candle, you lose the money. Most of the time you will always win because this is what I took. Now look at what is happening. You see this one now. You see what is happening here. You see this candle closes above, but close below. But we're not looking at it now. Look at this candle, green candle, rejected exactly at that moving average 5. Then the sellers push it down. You get it? That is just it. You understand? That is it. So that is the candle. That is this candle is the end of the consolidation. You see, end of the consolidation that we are talking about. Let me pick 3 minutes. I get it now. But if you're going to do it, it's just 1 minute. I get it now. But because I didn't enter at this candle here, I didn't uh sell at this candle. I will have sell here, but I didn't sell. Understand? So that's it. And at the same time, we shouldn't there are a lot of downtrend here. So now look at this place. There is a lot of space here. So the sellers have been selling for long. So there may be a kind of retracement going upward. Are you getting it now? So but let's hope that it will come down after 3 minutes. Understand? So but here is early. Understand? This is early. Understand? It's early. Yeah. Now look at another one here. Okay. So that is it. You see, the buyers want to go up, but the sellers are pushing it down because here they are weak. Here, this is a turning point of downtrend. So we don't know how long this downtrend will last. I get it now. Don't know how long it will last, but let's see. We're not stay long. Get it now. Not stay long. If you give us like 50 cents, we are looking for 95 cents. Give us 50 cents or 60 is okay. I guess now this is $1 that we put, so you don't need to say you put $1 and you will be expecting $100. Understand? So it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. So it doesn't work that way. So so now look at what is happening now. I think it's high time I take it out. Okay, let me sell from that place angle also. I'll sell from that angle. So selling from that angle. Okay, let me take this one out. Okay, so you see it's coming down again, but I've take it out. Then I'm going to take this profit. Okay, you see it ends, but this is very very risky because this seller candle is very weak. So it's like the sellers are becoming weaker here, but I'm still in profit. I'm still in profit because I know that whatsoever that this candle is doing, trying to form red candle, I mean green candle here is a fake breakout. Is a fake breakout. I get it. So I enter sell above here and it come down. Even if I leave my entry, I'm still going to be in profit. But I don't want to take that risk of losing any money for now because I I don't have enough here and I'm trying to grow it. So understand. So that is how to read it. You see, this candle here is trying to trick people. A lot of people will have buy this candle, but the brokers trick them by pushing the candle up and forming green. But here at this stage, you see that at this level, it's rejected down because here sellers are stronger with these 5 minutes candles here. So when it got to this place, I enter $1 again. Then it push it down. Both the previous one I enter and the new one, I got the profit I get in now. And that's how we get 78 cents. So I put $1 and I got 78 cents. It's not bad. That's like 78% of the $1 I risk. I get in now 78%. So that means that if I put $100 there now, I will have gotten $78. Understand? So that is just it. That's just it. So don't say that because you put $1 and it should give you $10. I get no, no. You should count your percentage return. That is just it. That is just it. That's how you master the trade. So if I put $10 here now, that means that this one will have give me $7.80. Understand? So that's it. So the good thing is that you master your entry. Understand? You master your entry. So you see, this is the turning point of the consolidation here, and that is just it. I believe you understand. So that is it. So let's see another. This is volatility 1s. I've tested this one on volatility 1s. Let's see on volatility 100 and see. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Here it's coming down here, comes down here. Now look at it here. It crosses here, here, this one here. Understand? Crosses down. Now this candle form green, but it rejected at the point. Now if you enter sell here, you will still make profit, even though it closes with tiny green. Understand? You will still be profitable here. I get it now. But the sellers are weaker here. So once you you take the profit out here, you wait. Are you getting that? Then it comes down again. Was coming down. It's coming down. Understand? Now look at this. This candle also here. Are you getting it now? Was rejected buyers at at the 5 minute candle here. Understand? And closes with red. This is so I will have buy this. Understand? But this also is risky because we're in the downtrend. But I will have buy. Understand? So this is telling us that here, look at it here, the seller's main business here, they will be going up. Understand? So that is it. Understand? That is just it. So what I'm giving you now is a gold mine. So what we will be waiting for here now is another exact rejection. And I want you to understand that candle that rejected, I get it, we are in the downtrend. So the candle that rejected exactly at that 5 minute candle must be the opposite candle to your to what your trend is saying. The trend is saying sell, sell. So the rejected candle here that rejected are exactly at the 5 minutes must be green candle. Now here the trend is saying we should sell. So but here the rejection is saying that the sellers has been rejected exactly. So it's saying buy. I get it now. So it's complicated. So when you buy, understand there are higher chance of let me say 70% that it will work. But here is a higher chance that the higher chance that the sellers are in power that it will sell is 90%. I get it in a 95. Understand? So that's the reason why you see this one, even when there is a manipulation or a strong buying rejection. Understand? You see that it still maintain the downtrend and close with tiny. I get it now. So that is that. So now let's see. So because we are in the downtrend now, and if you look at it, it's not even really downtrend because it's like here the moving average 50 is likely on the straight line, so it's consolidating now. So but because we are below moving average 60, we are only interested in what in selling. You understand? So that is it. That is it. Then how we will get our selling entry is when we see a green candle below 5 minutes moving average and rejected at the exact line of that 5 minutes. So the eye of the green candle did not go be above it and it forms and closes green candle. It forms with green candle below it. So we enter sell at the next candle. You understand? So that is that. So let's look at this and see. I may close this very soon because I my time may be up. It may be off at the same time, but I want to increase this. So let's quickly check another. So okay, look at this. Look at this. You see, this was coming down like this, like this, like this, like this. Are you getting it now? It's coming down like this. See this rejection here is exactly at that candle, but it didn't close with green. It closes with red. So this is not it. Now, if this candle is exact rejected at this 5 minutes and it closes with green, we enter sell here. So, but it closes with red, so it has completed the distance. So the sellers, the sellers are weaker here. So it closes up, and these sellers come down. Then you see closes at that 5 minute candles rejected. So I will have buy this, understand, with our 70% chance. Understand? You see, it was going up. So that is that. So let's see our what our 100 volatility 100 index is doing now. Okay, look at this candle. Okay, the eye is above the moving average 5. So we are not taking this. We are not taking this. We are not getting it. May still be in consolidation. Yeah. So we're not taking this. We're not taking this. We'll come back to 100 volatility index. So let's see. Okay. You see, we still have a consolidation. So you see, when price is going up and coming down along these 5 minutes, is still consolidating. I guess they are still fighting each other. I guess so. We are not looking at that. We are looking at exact opposite rejections, opposite candle rejection at the 5 minute, because the 5 minute candle is very weak. So any candle that was rejected by that 5 minute candles, I get it, which is opposite of the trend. Understand? It's telling us that that trend is in power. I get it now. So because 5 minutes moving 5 minutes moving average is very weak. So if the trend is saying we should sell, and the bullish candle, which is the buyer's candle, was rejected by that 5 minutes, that means that the bullish candle, that's the buyers, are totally weak by 5 minutes moving average. So we'll go and sell next. You get the scenario. So because the issue is that if you can be beaten by ordinary 5 minute candles, are you getting it now? Then your opposite that are in power will beat you up. Understand? So that is the scenario of what we are using. It's very simple strategy. Understand? Now look at what is happening here now. Because what we have, these sellers, if this candle good, I'm selling. Let it come down a little bit. I'm buying now. I'm buying. This candle is red candle, was rejected by this, although we are in the downtrend, but it's very close. As like this candle wants to go up. Understand? So if it come down again, I'm going to buy again. Are you getting it now? I'm going to buy again. You see what I'm doing? So if it come down again, I'm going to buy again. So that is that. That is that. So let's see how this we go. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we lose that. We lost that. Okay, so we have 10 minutes, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is 0. Look at it. Can you see the buyer, the brokers, they nearly break us out. They nearly they nearly cut us out, but we won with our $3. We've increased this to this. So you see that at this level, even the buyers, they are trying to push, the brokers are trying to push the price down. But with these candles, are you getting in? Very, very difficult for buyers to come down. We are these 5 minutes. In the next candles, it will be very, very difficult for sellers to come down. Are you getting it now? To come down in the next candle. So that's why I enter sell here, and I quickly, when it come down, I quickly enter $3, because I know that between that my $1 and $3, I get it now. It will go up. But unfortunately, understand, we lose that $1 and we recover that $3 profits. I get it now. So now this, I told you, is 70%. Understand? It's 70% because we are still in the downtrend. Understand? We are still in downtrend. So obviously, seen that this candle has crossed up now, yes, but notwithstanding, we took the profit. I get it now. So that is that. That is that. So let's check our 100. So what you just need is that perfect entry and the probability of the candle. So I told you I started with buyers and sellers. Understand? So the probability between buyers and sellers. So if you are looking for selling and the sellers has higher probability. Are you getting it now? The sellers has higher probability over the buyers. So we go for sellers. Are you getting it now? So, but how do we know when probability is at hand? Is what I just show you now. Understand? So that is that. So there's no entry here. No entry here. Let's go back to our 101s and see. So I'll take one trade now. You see, like what we traded that time. This one now, you see, the red can close exactly at that um 5 minute, five moving average. So the sellers are weak. Sellers are weak here. Understand? So we buy. So this one now is 70% because our 50 moving average said we are in the selling region. So we are in the selling region here. Despite the fact that the buyers want to be taking it up. But we can take advantage of that 70% and see what will happen. And you see it's going up. So but the next candle is very risky. This is the next candle that we are talking, and it has given us what we want buyers. So the next candle may be selling candle. Understand? So it's very risky. So just take the next candle straight. Understand? Which is this one that we've taken now. Understand? So because you are in the selling region, can you see? So that is the perfect entry that you are looking for. That is the holy grail. Now look at this one. Now look at this. Okay, now here we have the candle has crossed above here. Now, if this candle now it closes with red and was stopped by this 5 minutes moving average, I will buy next. Get it? Let's see. Okay, is in red. Is in red and it's being rejected by that. Can you see that the sellers is want to form red and but the that 5 minutes moving average is rejecting it back upward. Understand? So that means that the buyers are stronger there. It didn't close with red. It didn't close with red. Let's see. We want it to close with red and be rejected exact at that be rejected by that 5 minutes moving average, not extending below it. Is it has extended below it? So that means that it has this power is beyond 5 minute moving average. You get it? But if it didn't extend below 5 minute moving average, it was stopped by that 5 minutes moving average and closes above it and still closes in red. We are going to buy next. Get it? So that is it. Understand? That is it. But this one is risky. So don't go there. Don't go there. So let's leave that. So patience is the key. Don't just follow the rules. Follow the strategy. Follow the rules. Don't maneuver. Just follow it. Understand? Just follow it. Okay. This one now, I can buy, but it's very risky. It's very risky. I'm going to exit. I'm going to exit. I'm going to exit. It's very risky. It's very risky. I shouldn't have entered there, but it's okay. Let it go up. Let it go up. It's okay to lose some cents. You see, it has gone up, but I've lost 17 cents. It has, okay, it's okay, it's okay. The reason why I said I'm buying there is that you see, we have a long trade of green here, and this is a first red. So when you see something like that, the next one will be green. I guess it to be green. So, I shouldn't have entered this, but it's okay. It's okay. So I shouldn't have entered that. It's okay to lose. It's part of the game. Understand? I shouldn't have entered that because we're in the consolidation period here. We're in the consolidation period there. But I hope this